When I was preparing for my driving test, and I was everywhere on the internet, on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, particularly watching videos of instructors, of people sharing their testimonies, people who have passed their test. And at some point, I felt like, oh, these are too much information just because I'm preparing for my test. I wasn't really reading anything, just pure videos. I'll watch videos and I'll go try whatever I've seen online. It will feel like that there's too much information, for the test you are preparing for. But in the long run, the brain is designed to assimilate all these things. The brain is designed to capture all these informations and just put it in a reservoir, like put it somewhere until the day you need them. What I was doing was just watching videos, but I have specific people that I really trust that I know they know what they are saying. So these are the people I was actually just watching. There was no like timetable. I was just watching anything from this set of people. On my test day, anytime I need an information from the videos I've seen before, it just run to my head. It just comes like that. And I know, oh, this is it. I've seen something like this, or I have to do this. If I have to like park somewhere safe, if the examiner asks me to park somewhere safe, a video will just run across my head. I'm not supposed to park here. This is the safe place to park. Don't park on the yellow line or double yellow line. Don't park close to the junction. Don't park on driveways. Those information will just come to me like that. So don't feel like, oh, there is too much information, as long as there are people you actually trust and you're sure they know what they're saying. These are the people you keep watching their videos. Just keep watching their videos. It's not too much information, trust me. When you need them, they will come. Like there was a scenario where as our this like a contraflow, police emergency car coming towards my lane. The other lane, the contraflow, the incoming traffic was blocked. So the police had to use my own lane where I was coming from. So luckily for me, there was a safe place for me to just park for them, just to give them space. And as I gave them space, the police just did like that, wave at me. The moment the police waved at me, I remember the video that I saw that says when you wave at people, the video said, don't wait for the examiner to wave on your behalf because it's a driving test. They're testing you. So you have to do what you would do if you're driving alone. So as I remember that, I remembered another video that says, if you are going to wave, don't take your hand off the steering wheel. Just as you put your hand on the steering wheel like this, do like that and wave. Those things, those information just came to me and I did it perfectly. So there's not too much information. Trust me, not too much. The information is not too much for you. When you need them, they come running to you and you make use of them. So go out there and go pass your test.